Business without strategy is like the gun without gunner. Even you have the best gun in town, but how can you sure that it will be shoot in the right shot? Good morning, we are Group 208 and going to present about Seeknatures. Seeknature is the cafe that operate in Hat Yai, Songkhla, which provide both healthy bakeries and beverage and being the only ketogenic bakers in Hat Yai. So since the opening day until now, Seeknature's operations has been running smoothly. However, our cafe decided to provide an OEM service to some hotels and cafes in Hat Yai. Recently, there are 8 companies that contact us to produce ketogenic bakery for them. Therefore, our overall objective is to apply management science techniques and decision-making model to make decision relate to the company OEM service. So the first model that we're going to apply is the optimal locations. Currently, with the high demand in our OEM service, the capacity of Seeknatures is almost full, meaning that we cannot provide the service to newcomer. In addition, our current OEM customer are located far away from our cafe, so this causes the high transportation cost. So our objective is to apply location facility model for determining the locations of new kitchens for OEM. This is to increase the capacities to better serve OEM customer to reduce the transportation cost as well. So as a result, since we apply the grid scales 20 times 20 to determine locations of new kitchens, the optimal location which X and Y coordinate at 17.47 and 6.59 respectively. Thus, signatures can reduce the total annual transportation cost for almost 20%.
Moving on to the second problem, Urisipu Hotel is currently one of our OEM customers. Recently, the hotel received good feedback from their guests about the bakery from Seeknature, so the hotel requests for special bakery exclusively only for them. There are 3 requirements that the hotel design, which are: this bakery product must be different from the original product from Seeknature. The total demand per day is 100 pieces, and lastly, the hotel requires at least 3 menus with minimum total calories. So our objective for this problem is to apply product mix and binary decision model for selecting the menu and determining how many pieces to produce with the objective of minimizing calories according to the customer requirements. As a result, the hotel will receive a total of 100 pieces of bakeries from 3 different products, which are 55 pieces of keto chocolate tart, 20 pieces of keto mixed berry cheesecake, and 15 pieces of keto Thai tea soft cake, with a total of 12,750 calories as minimum requested.
Moving to the third problem, as we determined the optimal location, we could not ensure that there were no profit from investing in a new OEM kitchen and then delivering product to customer would be higher than OEM and end product from the original cafe while facing a high transportation cost. Moreover, the demand and the amount of usable amount, which is in the main ingredient of both strategy, are uncertain. We therefore need to stimulate to see which strategy is better. The objective is to apply the simulation model for calculating the average annual profit of a new OEM kitchen and OEM from the original store in order to make a decision whether we should invest in a new kitchen for OEM or not. As a result, Seeknature will benefit from cheaper transportation costs. However, with this strategy, the cost of implementation is quite high. By having a new kitchen, we could reach the average annual profit up to 2.8 million baht. When compared with the simulation of OEM from the original store, which we have to face higher transportation costs, the average annual profit is 2.3 million baht. This is proof that investing in a new OEM kitchen would be better. Nevertheless, if we consider the initial investment of a new OEM kitchen, the profit from performing OEM purely from the original store will be higher.
From the simulation model result, we decide to calculate the year of break-even to develop our recommendation. From break-even calculation, opening the new kitchen will take 2.4 years to break-even. This means if Seeknature decide to open the new kitchen to perform OEM at the period of time as of opening until 2.4 years, the profit to Seeknature is worse off when compared to performing the OEM purely from the first branch. However, after 2.4 years, the profit cumulatively earned from the new kitchen would totally cover the initial investment. Hence, if the goal of Seeknature is to realize short-term large impact, Seeknature should not open the new kitchen to do OEM. However, if Seeknature would like to focus on OEM as the long-term activity, opening the new kitchen would be a better option. Thank you.